I bring the firewood in from this walk-in door in the basement using the wheelbarrow there. You can see, and there's the wood pile next to the Kuuma. And so this is the appliance that's heating the house using cordwood. And as you can see here, that is the controller for the damper, which is located right there, which, without getting into specifics, has a flap that senses the various temperatures, which is what opens and closes it per the controller, which is located here. The manufacturer says that in cold temperatures you would have it on the high setting, and in the warmer temperatures, perhaps the spring, like in Minnesota, you'd have it on low. Here we have it set in between low and medium. So I'll take you around to the front, and this is the main door. The last time I loaded it was about 4 hours ago. I had about 5 logs, split logs, that I had put in there. So it's time to reload it, and then I'm going to show you again once it's loaded.